Hi there, Mrs. Gleason here, and I'm going to show you how to lock an iPad into one app. So I know some of you are struggling at home with this remote learning, and maybe your child is getting into some other apps and you want them to just stay on one. So first you would go into the settings on the iPad, and then you scroll down to accessibility. And then you choose guided access, and then you want to turn guided access on. So you want it to have all the options down below, and you want to see the green. And once you've done that, you're going to click passcode settings, and you're going to set guided passcode. So you want to enter a code that you can remember, but probably one that your child is not going to easily be able to figure out. For the sake of this, I'm just going to put in something really easy. And then it wants you to re-enter your passcode to make sure that you don't, forget it, or that you didn't actually press one number and meant another. So I'm going to put in my passcode again. Now that guided access is all set, and you can get out of this so that way your child doesn't know where to go and fix this. Though some of them may figure this out. So now if a child goes into an app, so let's say you want them to be in maybe Seesaw, and you just want them to stay in that one app. Once you get them in the app, then you triple click the home button. So I'm going to hit it 3 times in a row pretty quick. And then that sends you into guided access to start it. You can click down here for your options. So if you want any of these on or off, you can turn them on or off. I would say you might want to have them access to the volume button. I don't know that they really need motion. They definitely will want their keyboard touch. You could add a time limit. The sleep wake button, you might not want that one. So I'm going to stay with those options right there. And then you're going to click start. So now the student is in guided access and they can't get out. Like I'm trying to click out right now, and it won't let me do that. I also turned off the sleep wake, so if I try to click that button, it's not going to let me out either. So now if you want them after they've done their work and it's time for them to get out, if you triple click the home button again, then you have to click the password. So if the child triple clicks the home button and they don't know the password, they're not going to be able to get out either. So it should only be able to be taken out if it's you, because you know the password. So I'm going to triple click again.
Nice.
Triple click, put the password in, and then now you can either resume, or you can click end, or you could go back to your options. And I'm going to click end. Now if I click the home button, you shall see I can get out.